Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with Brad.
Hey.
And the gym just opened up yesterday, so I was gonna film my gym routine and Brad came over, so we're gonna do it together tonight. And I thought that I would show you the rest of our day. It's about 3 p.m. now and I'm going in for a haircut. I have split ends now, so we're gonna get them cut off. Oh!
We just got our haircut. Ooh, look good, George.
Thank you.
These little curls.
We found some cookies.
It's our favorite cookie, but now it's chocolate dipped. So
we're gonna try it out.
big day for us. Okay. Here we go. Cheers to good haircuts. Yep.
We just got home and now we're gonna take Poppy for a walk. Watch this. Poppy, we have a question for you.
Do you want to go for a? Do you want to go for a walk, Poppy?
You wanna go for a walk? Let's go. Hey, go.
Oh my god.
So Brad wants to have a handstand contest.
3, 2.
Okay, so I clearly won that one. So it's 9:45 in the evening and we are about to head to the gym. We had dinner at like 6:30, but we had pizza and lots of snacks, so we felt a bit sick. Brad and I eat very unhealthy when we're together, but we've let that settle and now we are ready to do a workout.
Oh yeah.
The gym's open yesterday, so it is Brad's first time back today, and I can hardly walk from how sore I am from yesterday, but
Wow.
We'll see how we go.
All right, see you guys. See you at the gym.
So I just got to the gym and I thought I would take you guys through my gym routine. I normally start off with some weights on the machines and I do like a quick full body circuit to warm up. And then I do some high intensity interval training on the treadmill, and then I end it with some stretching and some calisthenics. I'm trying to get really good at handstands, so that's my main focus at the moment. So let's start off with some weights. So these are my go-to weighted exercises to warm up. I like to do 4 sets, and the first 2 sets have 12 reps and the last 2 have 8 reps. So I end up doing 40 all up. Between each leg press set, I like to do calf raises. So I do some normal ones and then the next set I will turn my feet out and then turn them in. After I'm all warmed up, I will go onto the treadmill and do some high intensity interval training. I do this for 15 minutes with 30 seconds on, 30 seconds off. So I'll sprint for 30 seconds and then stand on the sides of the treadmill for 30 seconds and repeat that for 15 minutes. I like to increase my speed each interval, so I will start off at around 16 kilometers an hour and then keep going up from there until my final run where I max out the treadmill. I just finished HIIT and my last sprint was 20 kilometers. I couldn't do it yesterday. I got to 18 kilometers yesterday and nearly died. But today I did 20 and I was fine. Whew. I'm gonna stretch quickly and then we'll go home.
Nice.
are done. Sometimes I like to do like a mini bodyweight circuit after, but it's really late now, so we're gonna go to bed.
Ready to eat some snacks and then bed.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Hey guys, so we just got home from the gym and it is midnight, so we're gonna go to bed. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you guys next time.